In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history on TikTok. If you've ever bought something through TikTok Shop and want to manage those records, the key is knowing exactly where your orders live and what controls TikTok currently gives you. I'll walk you through getting to the right place on the website and set clear expectations about deletion because options can vary by country and by account. Start by opening your browser and going straight to TikTok.com. Sign into your account the same way you normally do. For the smoothest experience, use the official site, avoid third-party links, and make sure your connection is secure. If you have more than one TikTok account, double check that you're logged into the one you use to make purchases, or you won't see the correct records. Once you're on the site and signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture. Click it to open your account menu. On some screen sizes, the icon might be small or tucked behind a simple avatar, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot. That menu is where TikTok groups your personal settings, creator tools, and shopping features. From that menu, choose the orders option. This takes you to the area that lists purchases made through TikTok Shop, as long as TikTok Shop is available in your region. If you don't see orders, it usually means the shopping feature hasn't rolled out to your location or your account isn't currently eligible for it. In places where it is supported, the label might read slightly differently, but it leads to the same order hub. Inside the orders page, you'll find your recent and past transactions organized by status, along with details like items, amounts, and delivery information. You can review receipts, track shipments, or reach out to sellers from here. What you won't find at this time is a permanent delete or clear all button for order history. TikTok retains order records to support deliveries, refunds, and regulatory requirements, so while you can view and manage details, you can't erase the underlying history from this screen. If privacy is your priority, use practical safeguards, avoid displaying this page during screen shares, log out on shared devices, and consider reviewing your account privacy controls to limit what others can see about your activity. That's it. You now know exactly where to access your TikTok Shop orders on the website and what to expect regarding deletion. If TikTok adds a true delete feature in the future, the orders page is where it will appear first.